How to post a long video on Instagram. If you want to upload a video as a reel, but it is longer than the time limit, Instagram will automatically crop it. To post the full video without cutting any part, follow these steps. First, open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap on the plus sign to create a new post. Select the video you want to upload. If your video is longer than the allowed reel duration, Instagram will not display a clear warning, but it will still crop the video. If you want to post the full video, go back and tap the plus sign again. This time, choose Post instead of Reel. Select the same video and tap Next. You will see the option to add a caption, tag people, and adjust settings. Once you're ready, tap Share. Now, wait for the upload to finish. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed. Once it is posted, you can check the duration by opening the post. You will see that the full video has been uploaded without any parts being cut. That's how to post a long video on Instagram.